Hi, this is Chandra here from Cosmic Innovations. This is a demonstration on a mobile invoice app, which is an add-on for Recon Account Hosted. So this mobile invoice app can be downloaded from Google Store. Search for Cosmic Invoice and you are able to download it instantly. And after that, we will give you a login information with your email address and password. You're able to sign in. There is a registration process involved, which we're not going to show you in this video. And once that is done, you're able to start doing invoice by picking up an Android phone, or we are able to also use our app on a desktop browser. So we'll log in with our email address here. So this is the screen, and it's the company number 1 that has been registered. We just go to a quick menu here. We have invoice, view, send an invoice, manage company file. The receive payment feature is not on. Change password and help and about us and sign out. So we will now enter customer. So the list of customers are coming on your mobile device. These are customers which is being picked up by Recon Account Hosted directly onto your mobile phone. And so we'll pick up one of the customers here. And the invoice date is defaults to 14th of July, which is today's date. And you're able to change that date to any date you want. We have a class feature here. We pick up a class. So we picked up class 2, and now we'll start doing invoice. So we pick up a line 1 and enter the name of the item, which is a stock item or a service item. Now again, this is all being picked up directly from Recon Account Hosted. So pick up an item called glow plug. So glow plug is coming. And we have a glow plug description here, and we can add to that. Or completely enter a new description. We are able to also expand this description box by tapping. So there you are. You are able to then enter with a bigger description box. And yes, okay. So it's there. The quantity is 1. We'll change it to 12. The rate is $25, which is our default rate, and is coming from Recon accounts. We have now ability to change this rate to whatever you want. So we'll make it $25.50. Sorry. And GST is there. Defaults to GST. Tax rate 10%. So on the screen you can see the quantity 12, rate $25.50, and subtotal of 306, $30.60 tax amount, and the total amount. At the bottom we're gonna come there later. We're going to view what we have done. So we have here 12 glow plug at $25.50, and with $30.60, total of $336.60. Right, we want to do a few more items. So we have at the bottom plus line here. We got line 2 and we will enter. So we have line 1 on top, which quantity 12 and the right 25.50. You've seen what we had done there. We go on to the line 2. We pick up so HPM clip cell this time, and we just put something here, outdated model. So we're doing all this on a mobile device while we're on the road, and we put here 100 quantities and we'll change that to $25. So it has got the figures there now, and press next. So we have got line 1 for glow plug, line 2 for HPM clip cell. We want to do one more line, one more item, line 3. And we pick up MCC switch for $35. And we just say switchboard, and quantity is 50 and the rate is $42. So the rate is there, and press next. So we got 3 items here done on a mobile device. Line 1 glow plug, quantity 12. Line 2 HPM clip cell, quantity 100. Line 3 MCC switch, quantity 50. We're happy with that. We can have a quick view of it. We can see them on the screen on your mobile device. I'm using Samsung Note 3 to do this invoicing, so you can see all those on your screen. And it gives you a full total here at the bottom, 5396. You're happy with that? We're happy with that. We say press invoice. Invoice number 37 is created. Okay, successfully while you're on the road. And we have an email attached to your client while you're on the road. Invoice number 37 is a PDF, and we send the invoice. Invoice 37 is sent successfully. Press OK. So the invoice has been sent. We can have a quick view of that invoice, what you have sent. So this is, at this moment, you're looking at the invoice, which is now a default invoice template of Reckon Account Hosted. We will increase the size of it, so you can see the 3 items that is there, and the customer has now received the invoice while you on the road. Right, so you can see on the left hand side, I've got at the left hand side at invoice number 37, small circle there which is not highlighted green yet. It indicates that it's not posted to Reckon Account Hosted yet. It will be posted. What happens is that for every 15 minutes all invoices get synced into Reckon Account Hosted, and the invoice is done automatically. No need to create any invoice. It all gets posted directly. Now we also have the ability, we have done the invoice, but we have changed our mind. We want to edit the invoice. So what we do is, we're supposed to be able to click on that. So at the bottom, on the top of my screen says edit invoice number 37. So you can see all the invoices coming back onto your screen. Line 1, line 2, line 3 that we did. But we have already done the invoice, but we have changed our mind. We want to change the invoice while you're still on the road. So let's click on line 1 and we have glow plug, but we don't want glow plug. We just want to put some star screws, and we'll just put here fill up shape or whatever. And the quantity has been, we also want to change that to 13, and we also want to change that to $22. Press next. Be happy with that, and we've done the invoice, and press view. So the invoice we have just changed to line 1 star screws 13 $22 and 31460. Okay, that's it. We're not going to touch line 2 and line 3. We're happy with that. Invoice number 37 is updated successfully, and press OK. Send the invoice again, and customer gets the invoice, and he back here, and invoice number 37 actually has been also updated too into Reckon account hosted. So we cannot access from here from our mobile phone the Reckon account hosted. In the next video we will show you this. We need to log in through a desktop, because it's a desktop browser to log in and to see all the invoices that has been posted using our mobile device. So that's it. So that has been done, and the invoice is easily done. We want to go and look at the manage invoice screen quickly. We have here email setting. You can set your own emails and all that. Not going to go through that. It's a bit fiddly here to look into that. And we also have ability to go and enter your own invoice prefix with your invoice number. Now this is important because we want to maintain a different series of invoice numbers that you do from a mobile device to what you do directly into Reckon account hosted. So you need to be able to say which one was mobile device invoice and which one's Reckon account hosted, for lots of various reasons, audit reasons, and be able to identify. Otherwise, you can have all sets of one invoice, set of invoice coming. You can have a problem, you can duplicate and all that. So we cancel that. So we have ability to do that. We also have ability to create a new customer while we are on the road. So we got a small icon here on the which we're going to increase the size of it, and here you've got a screen here that we can now fill all this quickly on the phone, and it gets updated while you're on the mobile phone, and you are able to then do the invoice instantly while you're on the road. And this customer information, which is not there in Reckon account hosted, gets updated into Reckon account hosted without you going and doing it yourself. So that's good. We are later on thinking of bringing also how to update or create new items. So it's a very simple process, all done very easily. This is a full cloud-based invoice application for Recon account hosted, easily done, nothing much big deal about this invoicing, all done on the road. I still also able to use it on the desktop. We are looking at later on bringing the new templates for the invoice. A lot of people have been asking us on that, and so we have a new template with new fonts and a good looking invoice so that the client can see and receive that. It will be the invoice font and the template will be different what you send from our invoice app, but the default one will be posted into your Recon account hosted. So yep, we are able to then quickly invoice on the road, invoice on a desktop also using the same thing, invoice multiple line items, edit the invoice, edit the price, edit the description, and post the invoice. All invoices gets posted in about 15 minutes time while you're still on the road to Recon account hosted. So that's it. If you got any inquiries, jump into our website or send me an email and I will chat to you and look into any of your inquiries that you like to talk to me about. Okay, and for now, just go to Google Store, download the Cosmic Invoice app, send us an email, and we will give you the login information and registration. Thank you very much.